Hey everyone, this is Abë Finance here. We're on the daily commute and we're headed home from work today. There's a couple things that occurred in the market today that we want to discuss with you guys. Something that's quite interesting is that Snapchat, which we discussed last week in a video, last Thursday, last Friday, right when Snapchat actually went public. We talked about why we would never buy the Snapchat IPO and why we recommended our listeners shouldn't either. Yeah, so looking at what's happened with Snapchat over the past couple days, Snapchat has actually gone on to decline by 21% over the past 2 days. So on Friday, they had actually closed up near $29 per share, and since then they've actually declined now down to about $21 per share. So while Snapchat is now significantly cheaper than it was right around its IPO price, we still would never invest in Snapchat yet, right? It should have come out around $13, maybe even $15 a share with its IPO there, but the banks and the company itself overvalued Snapchat, and they tried to wring as much capital out of the market as they could, and I would say they definitely succeeded in doing so. One other thing that happened in the stock market today that's a little bit interesting was that the stock prices continued to fall. I wouldn't yet call it a correction, as it hasn't been a significant movement in the overall market indexes like the Dow Jones Industrial Average or the S&P 500. You know, those indexes themselves haven't declined by 5 or 10% yet, but some of the individual companies that are making up these indexes, some of these companies have been taking pretty significant declines recently, and I think there's a chance that there might even be a larger market movement where the overall indexes like the S&P 500 might take a pretty steep decline here pretty soon.